Want to make your money work for you but don't know where to start? Let's break down the different types of investments and help you find the best fit for your goals. Investing is all about putting your money to work in ways that can help you grow your wealth over time. There are many types of investments, each with its own benefits, risks, and ideal time horizons. Let's go through the main types. First up, stocks. When you buy stocks, you're buying a piece or a share of a company. If the company does well, the value of your shares can increase, meaning you can sell them later for a profit. Some stocks even pay dividends, which are small regular payments to shareholders. But keep in mind, stocks can be volatile. The value can rise or fall depending on the market and the company's performance. Next, let's talk about bonds. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation which promises to pay you back with interest. Bonds are generally seen as safer than stocks, especially government bonds. However, they usually offer lower returns. Bonds can be a good choice if you're looking for steady, reliable income rather than rapid growth. Now let's look at mutual funds and ETFs. A mutual fund pools money from multiple investors to buy a mix of stocks, bonds, or other assets. It's managed by professionals and offers instant diversification, which lowers your risk. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, work similarly but trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. These are great if you want exposure to multiple assets without picking each investment yourself. Another popular investment type is real estate. This includes buying property to rent out, or even investing in real estate investment trusts or REITs. With REITs, you can invest in real estate without having to buy or manage property directly. Real estate can be a good hedge against inflation and offers long-term appreciation. But keep in mind, it can require a large initial investment and isn't as easy to sell quickly. Next, we have commodities like gold, oil, and agricultural products. These are tangible assets and are often used to diversify portfolios. Commodities can serve as a hedge against inflation, as their prices may rise when inflation is high. However, they can be risky and are influenced by unpredictable factors like weather or global events. And finally, cryptocurrencies. Cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become popular in recent years. They're digital or virtual currencies that use blockchain technology for security. Cryptos are known for their high risk and high reward potential. They're extremely volatile, so they're best suited for investors who can handle big swings and have done their research. So there you have it: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Each type of investment has its own level of risk and potential reward, so it's important to choose what fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, diversification is key to balancing risk in your portfolio. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance and investing tips. See you in the next video.